Graduate. King of Bazozo.
Talk to me nicely.
King of books.
Talk to me nicely.
Siyabuza.
God told you that. Go to the show.
Is that my dad?
No. Yeah. Like it's how much I was telling now the face. Hey, Bo.
It's good now. Yeah, but it's not as fast as it was.
Siyabuza.
Talk to me nicely. What's up? Hey, bro.
Yes, sir. Tu n'as pas son avis. Happy graduation to you. Happy graduation to you. Happy graduation to you.
Happy graduation to you. Oh, the proper Zamana. The graduate himself. What's up? The graduate himself.
Happy graduation to you. Happy graduation to you. Happy graduation to you. Okay.
Father, you look at
Thanks, man. Thank you so much.
Look at yourself. Is that you? You're no longer in Zamban.
I'm a graduate now.
You're no longer in Zamban.
Don't fuck with me.
Yeah?
Fuck, I love your phone.
Are you still in Zamban?
No. That's history. Hello.
It's a reunion, guys. It's a reunion.
It is. A proper one, darling.
You know you're a big brother housemate now.
So some people are here, they didn't want to drink, and now they are drinking.
The chillers is free. I mean, if alcohol is free.
I mean, you're with the ambassadors, why not? Yeah? Tell them you're the ambassadors.
With the ambassador. Didi.
No,
you must bring 24.
in the house again.
Yeah?
In the south.
Yeah.
Late to go. You buy the same clothes now? No, that's too small. Hey! Imagine.